Good morning, you guys. We've already been up for a while. It's about 8:20. Estelle is still sleeping. Well, she woke up then she went back to sleep. And Liam is already causing a wreck in the house. I'm getting ready for two things. I started filming something this morning for a brand partnership in the kitchen. I already started and I need to go finish shortly, but I have to do my makeup because now you have to see my face. And we are going to go to the shop later. I am going to drop off the kids at my mom's because Liam wants to go down to the beach to play on the sand, and he also has like some friends that are there, and my mom is just going to hang out with the kids, and it's going to be great because I can't take the kids with me to the shop. It gets a little bit crazy. There's like too many people there. We got up pretty late last night, and not that we were like out or doing, I mean, you guys obviously saw that we did go out, but we weren't like partying or anything. It just, the traffic was so crazy, especially by the Faina Hotel, and because you have Faina Hotel and you have like Soho House, there's a lot of different venue spaces like in hotels that were activating last night and having parties and whatever and whatnot, and like it was just crazy. There were so many people on the road, and like no one's driving properly in like the right lane, and everyone's like cutting each other off. It was just crazy. So we spent a lot of time in traffic, but whatever, it was fine. I have a dinner tonight with Spanx and Pantone, which, by the way, I don't know if you guys know, but the color of the year is called Cloud Dancer, which is like this like milky white color. It's milky white, but it has like a little bit of a gray tone, and it's the first time in history that Pantone has ever named a white color, like the color white, the color of the year. Last year, I think it was like something mocha mousse, I think it was. As in for 2025. So for 2026, the color is Cloud Dancer. So if you guys love your whites and like creams, it's your time to shine. But I think they named the color not only just for ready to wear, but they name it for like design too, like where you'll see a lot of, you know, colors and stuff. Anyway, I have on this PJ from Posh Peanut. Me and Liam are matching. Where are my earrings? I have earring 1, earring 2. I need a coffee. Aloni's gonna make me one right now. I haven't had one yet because I've just been like so busy doing whatever it is I had to do. I have a couple of empties that I've been taking pictures of because I don't like to leave them. By the way, I've been using this honey milk. It's 5-in-1 styling cream into my hair instead of gel, because then like at the end of the night I can brush my hair. My hair doesn't feel crunchy and like gross. And it is a heat protection, frizz control, flexible hold, hydration, glaze, shine. It's from Gizu or Giza, I don't know how you say it, but I'll link you for you guys below if you want to check it out. Great product. I literally used it yesterday for the first time. And then for like my edges or my, because I have a lot of baby hairs from my postpartum regrowth, and for my braids so it doesn't get frizzy, I like to spray some of this Day. It's a sunsetter hairspray, and it's really flexible. It does not make your hair crunchy at all. I put so much of it last night, and my hair this morning was like pretty soft. This is the brand. I like to put some on my braids so that my braid doesn't get all like gross, you know? These are the two products that I used last night. I used the Dibs Good Life Gold on my chest. It looked so beautiful. And this is one of my favorite blushes. This is from Armani. This is the Luminous Silk Cheek Tint in the color 53S. I can't really see, but I don't have my contacts in yet, but this is great. And I dusted over at the top. I brought back an OG, which is the Dior. This is the Dior Backstage Rosy Glow in 00 or 001. I can't see because I can't see because it already came off, but you guys know this is like the OG. So that's kind of what's happening today. Oh, I forgot to put my setting powder. You know, actually what I want to do, I want to use a different powder. When I came home yesterday, I realized I did not like how my skin looked. And I've been using the Milk Hydro Grip, this one, which I love. It's an amazing skin tint. If you have oily skin like myself, it's great because it stays on and it doesn't go anywhere. But I was setting it with the Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Finish in Fair. And I realized I'm like, for some reason, I don't like how my makeup looks at the end of the night. And I was like, what did I used to do when I used to wear the milk? And I realized I was using the Kosas Cloud Set Translucent Ultra Transparent Powder. This is amazing. This is literally the dupe for the original formula of the Givenchy Prism Libre before they changed it. So it's really great. I love it. And I was like trying to remember, like, what did I do different? And then I remember it was because I was using a different setting powder, and this setting powder worked much better with this skin tint. I love the Charlotte Tilbury one, but it's just not with this specifically. I just like lightly dust. I don't like to press because I don't like to look cakey. I still like my skin to like shine through and have a little bit of luminosity, shine, and dewiness. Okay. That's that. I do need some lip balm. Oh, so for my empty that I was collecting, this is one of them today. There's nothing coming out. If you guys can see, I'm actually pressing. This is the In Beauty Extreme Cream Firming and Lifting Moisturizer. I love it. If you guys like Augustinus Bader, this is literally the exact same thing, just way less and amazing. I love it. This is one of my favorite moisturizers. I use it all the time, all year round. Okay, and that's that. Let's go to the kitchen and start my, actually I'm not going to take you guys to the kitchen with me because I need to record something for a brand partnership. So BRB. We just dropped the kids off at my mom's. We're Aloni went upstairs to take everybody. I'm driving because it's Shabbat. We are having a little bit of a late start because I had to film something I told you guys for a brand partnership. So that took some time because it involved some baking. It was actually really fun. I did it with Liam. It was so cute. And yeah, now we're gonna go to the shop. We're gonna hang out for a few hours and then we are going to come back. Either I might pick up the kids or the kids might be dropped off by my mom. We'll see what happens. Because if she wants to like do dinner with them, then she's probably just gonna drop them off. And then we have a dinner tonight with Spanx, I told you guys, in Pantone. And that is what is on the calendar. Actually, let me check what time this dinner is because I don't remember. Let's see. Oh my god, my schedule next week is so full too. Oh, dinner's pretty early. It's at 7 o'clock, so that means I need to leave at 6:15. Yes, let's see, Pantone. Yes. Oh, it's at ZZ Club. Oh, Design District. Okay, cool. Cool. We haven't had any words of wisdom from Yombone in a hot minute.
Really?
Yeah. We're supposed to do 25 days of wisdom. We've only had like one day. We had double the order of pastries delivered today, and we are already running very low. This was supposed to hold us over for the whole weekend, and I don't think that it will. These are the cheese rolls, you guys. They're amazing. Tell us, how do you feel?
We have more cinnamon rolls, right?
Have you done anything for Art Basel or no?
No.
Did you go to any events for Art Basel for Art Week?
Art Basel?
No?
I didn't even know that existed to me.
Good for you.
What is that? What are you like?
The big art show.
Right now. You're not into art? Over here.
Iron.
Waste.
Oh, what are you wanting?
Situation here. I already put some shoes into storage. I'm reviewing my Vlogmas episode that's going live today just to make sure all the edits are worked out. It's been so crazy. We've had like 5 minutes since this morning, and it's been a madhouse outside. We've been trying to talk to everybody and like meet everyone because I'm so like thankful that you guys are coming, and I want to be able to like meet everybody, but I need to make sure that we're on time because you guys, 8 o'clock, it has to go live. I have like 6 seconds to show you what I'm wearing. I have on this white dress. I'll link everything for you guys down below. As always, I'm wearing silver Jimmy Choos and my Savette bag. I have body makeup all on my chest to cover all the broken capillaries. Let me show you the bag. my civet bag that has my ID, my party mints. My party mints are like the mints for like when I go to parties, you know, and I want to talk so my breath doesn't smell. And I'm going to pack my camera once I'm done recording on this. I was going to take my lip gloss, but Aloni likes my lip matte. And this is the vibe. Okay, let's go because we're running late. We are on the way to the dinner. We decided to drive. It is at ZZ Club. I thought it was at Chateau ZZ where the Shop My Dinner was, but it's not. It's also a really yummy restaurant. And I'm so happy because Aloni's my plus one. I love when he's my plus one. Sometimes, I don't know if you guys know this, because you guys don't, because I talk to you on the camera all the time, but I'm actually an introvert, wouldn't you say? I'm more shy. I'm more shy than you are.
Yes, that's very true.
So, yeah. So when I go to
How's that new
events-
camera treating you, my introvert?
Good.
Yeah?
Yeah. Aloni, you got off the hook earlier.
Words of wisdom. The words of wisdom for today are too many people are constantly trying to find themselves. I hear that a lot. I think instead of trying to find yourself and spending your life finding yourself, you should spend more time creating yourself and creating who you are, creating your future and creating your destiny.
What's the difference between finding and creating?
Finding is I'm looking, I'm this, I'm that. Like, creating is you should really go out and do it, you know?
Yeah. Actually, I said that yesterday. I said, just do it.
Go out and do it. You have to create who you are, not just sit and think and try and find, you know? You have to go, you have to try, you have to fail and eventually succeed.
Yeah.
And create the life that you want. Create the future that you want. I think that's the words of wisdom for today.
Did you always create, or
No.
did you at one point try to find yourself too?
I think everyone's trying to find themselves at one point. You know, I definitely was lost and trying to understand what and why and where and how. And instead of spending too much time on all of that, just go out and do. Just try. You know?
Yeah.
Don't spend too much time thinking. It goes back to like trying to be an expert in everything. You're gonna end up doing nothing and being an expert in everything.
Yeah.
You know?
I actually think I was at the tipping point of finding myself, my finding myself journey when we actually got together, because then when I started thinking about starting a family and getting married, and even before we got engaged, like just thinking about like, okay, this is my person, like I feel that this is my person, and I started getting like nervous because I was like, oh, I'm not like at the point where I want to be in my career. I don't know if this is what I like. I want to do something else. I was just trying to figure it out, you know?
Yeah, absolutely.
Yeah.
You know? I mean, you and me both. Like,
Yeah.
Yeah. So people always tell me, oh, I want to wait to do this. I want to wait to do that. I need to have more money. I need to be more established. I need to be more this, more that. That's the wrong answer.
This goes back to what we were saying.
If you're gonna wait to have kids, or if you're gonna wait to get married, or if you're gonna wait for,
It's never the right time.
It's never gonna happen. Never gonna be the right time.
We always say this, though. It's never the right time. It's never the right time for anything, so you just have to do it.
So, the words of wisdom is layered today.
Just do it. Nike was onto something.
Mm-hmm. Don't wait for the right time, and don't try and find yourself.
Exactly.
Do it now.
Yeah. Exactly.
You know what I mean? Like.
I can't stop yawning.
Yeah, I know. I'm tired. Yeah, it's good to hear.
My eyes are like watering. I'm so tired. Really should be sleeping right now, honestly. We went to bed at like 2 o'clock in the morning last night.
Why?
Well, we went to sleep at like 1:15ish, and I was like laying in bed. Yeah. Yeah, I'm hungry now.
I would love to introduce Nicole from Pantone, who has a few words to share with you guys.
No, to your point, it's really great to be here. I'm the head of marketing with Pantone, and one of the things we're looking to do when we partnered with Spanx is really capture Spanx goals and confident spirit.
We just got home. We had a good time. Did you have a good time, Papa?
I did have a good time, Mama.
We actually had a good time. We sat like next to interesting people, talked a lot.
It was nice.
Yeah, we did a beautiful dinner. The food was really good. Everything was
Very
amazing.
nice,
Thank
very
God I
nice.
brought a jacket because it was freezing like always. Everybody always makes fun of me for bringing a jacket, but I always know, you know? Anyways, you guys, Mama is tired. Mama is delusional. I had a glass of white wine and I had a Coke. Living life. Not the kind of Coke you guys think, like a Coke beverage. Had to be clear. And life is good. I'm gonna say goodnight here because when we get upstairs, it's gonna be quiet. The kids are sleeping and I don't wanna wake anybody up. I wanna hit the hay, and tomorrow we're gonna start all over again. Love you.